Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tech away, tech everything. Welcome to all the new and old subscribers back to this channel. Welcome. Today I'm gonna review this Orico 7 USB 3.0 transparent hub. I bought this 9 months ago. I should have reviewed it straight away, but I didn't procrastinate. And after 9 months of usage, is it still good? Let's find out in this review. First of all, let's talk about the design. Design is a very subjective thing. Some people would think this kind of design is good, some people would hate it. Personally, I like the transparent case. I think it's very cool, very geeky. You can see all the parts inside, you know, all the capacitor, the chipset, and the motherboard and the ports itself. Yeah, reminds me of the Game Boy Color, and some phones also have like a transparent custom-made case bag. I really hope that manufacturer nowadays can make more this kind of product, transparent case. So for the dimension of the products, the length is 135mm, the width is 35mm, and the height is 19mm. After 9 months of usage, you can see some scratches around the USB port itself. Yeah, it's pretty normal. Although this is much tougher than the glass, I don't recommend you guys to drop it from very high ground. Please don't do that, it will break. In terms of the build quality, it's pretty solid, hard plastic, but you can hear there's some squeaky noise in front of the port here, which is the micro USB port and the USB type B port. You can hear the noise squeaking when I press it here. It's not a big issue. So right now I'm going to show you how I use this thing in a daily basis. This is my desk. I work here every single day. Okay, this is the USB type B port. It comes together with this USB hub. Right now I'm going to plug it to provide the power. Once you plug in, you will see the LED light lights up. And this LED light cannot turn off. You only can turn off by unplug it. So if you have RGB peripherals, you want consistent color scheme, the only option you can do is you change it to blue light, or you don't buy this and find other option. If you don't care, then move on. So this is how you provide power. 1 meter. Okay. Place it here. This is how would I use it. So if you want to use 2 hard disks at the same time, either a solid state drive or normal external hard disk, you have to use another micro USB cable, plug it here and connect to your phone charger, okay, like this one, 5-watt one or 12-watt, whatever. It will provide more power to the hub, stable connection. Yeah, but I want to try it out. If I don't plug in the micro USB as an additional power source, what will happen? I'm still gonna plug 2 hard disks just without an additional power source. Let's see whether it will work or not, stable or not. Okay, this is my mouse. Plug in, lights up, no problem, can detect. So let me plug in my keyboard. I'm using a wireless keyboard. I made a video about this product, you guys can go check it out too. Let me test it out whether my keyboard is working or not after plugging in. As you can see, it's working. Okay, moving on. My RGB mouse pad. Okay, as you can see, the mouse pad is light up and you can use it now right now. Next, I'm gonna plug in my U-Green micro SD and SD card USB to USB Type-C. All the things I mentioned, I made a video out of it. You guys can go check it out. So let me plug in my SD card. Okay, can read, no problem. Next, USB headset is working. SSD, solid state drive. Okay, lights up, can detect, no problem. Like I said, I'm gonna use both hard disks, 1 SSD, 1 hard disk, to test it out, even in a condition without extra power source. Get here, lights up. Okay. Apparently it can power hard disk and SSD at the same time. Okay, let me test it out. This is the hard disk, external hard disk, and another one is SSD. So let me click the SSD. Right now outside it's raining, so a bit noisy. Please bear with me. Let me click, this is my old YouTube file. I will drag it from the hard disk to the SSD, put it here instantly. And if I want to drag it back, replace. So technically you can use 2 hard disks or SSD at the same time without an additional power source. But whether it's stable or not, maybe not. If you want to just use it for a while, transfer a small size of file, yeah, you can do it like this. But if you want to use it in a long period of time, then I would recommend you guys to plug in an additional power source to give a much stable power input. All the USB port here all support USB 3.0, which means the transfer rate is up to 5 gigabytes per second. And this one, you no need to download any driver, you just plug and use, that's it. Mac, I believe this also support Mac, no problem. Mac, Windows and Linux all supported. So far so good. You see, everything is plugged in, everything is working. I've been using for 9 months. The price of this thing right now is like around 50 to 70 ringgit. The price, my variant in Malaysia, that's the price. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to buy it, click it. So that's about it, guys. That's my review. Overall, I recommend you guys to buy this. It's pretty useful, very convenient, everything works. If they can make the build quality even better, that would be good. Like I said, you can hear a bit squeaky noise when I press harder, but it's just nitpicking. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Share to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below. Buy me a coffee if you want to support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.